Greetings. This is Honolulu Blue from HB Cruising with 20 tips on packing less on your cruises. But first, 4 reasons why you probably want to pack lightly on your cruises. Number 1, the more you pack, the more you have to carry everywhere. This is most important for solo travelers, who don't have a willing partner to carry things around. Number 2, most airlines charge for bags. The more you have, the more it will cost you. Number 3, the more stuff you bring, the more stuff you're at risk of losing. Even packing as little as I do, I've lost some items on the way from here to there. That's never fun. And number 4, you don't need AirPods or any fancy trackers to track where your bags are. Your small bags are in your hands most of the time, and the rest of the time they're no more than a few feet away. Now that I've convinced you, or not, that packing less is a good thing, let's list some tips on how you can pack less. Use as many of them as you like, but the more you use, the more it will help. 1. Put as much stuff in your pockets and your luggage pockets as you can. 2. Wear as much clothing as you dare. 3. Wear your bulkiest clothes instead of packing them. 4. Don't bring laundry supplies if you can depend on your ship to do laundry at a reasonable price. 5. Don't bring toiletries you don't need. If you can trust the goop in your cabin's bathroom, this will save a lot of space. 6. Only bring medicines you are sure to need. 7. Don't bring a first aid kit. OTC medicines and bandages are available on the cruise ship and in port. 8. Consider whether you want or need to bring dressy clothes. Most cruise lines on their formal nights aren't as formal as they used to be. 9. Minimize the pairs of shoes you bring. They can be awkward and bulky to pack. 10. You can wear clothes more than once on the same cruise. Most of the other passengers and crew either won't notice or won't care if you do. 11. Unless you're a professional, you probably don't need to pack a camera other than your cell phone. 12. Unless you're working on board, you probably can leave your laptop at home. 13. Bring clothes that match each other as much as possible. 14. For theme nights and theme cruises, consider foregoing complicated and bulky costumes. Perhaps a t-shirt will be good enough. 15. Your free personal item can be your best friend. Consider using a briefcase or small backpack and packing as much as you can in there. 16. Consider reducing the amount of paper you bring by using electronic documents as much as possible. 17. Consider packing shorts instead of pants. They take up less room. 18. Try not to pack any food or drink. Cruise ships are known for providing a lot of both. 19. In purchasing gifts for the loved ones back home, consider the amount of room they take up. This is a reason to have some extra space. 20. For those on charter-themed cruises, note that some of them will provide some nice gifts. This is another reason for extra room. I should note that I don't always practice what I preach. For example, I never wear shorts in public and don't pack them. I make up for it in other ways. It is possible to have a carry-on plus personal item as your only luggage for cruises up to 14 days. I've done it several times. You can too, though you don't have to be that extreme. I hope these tips have been helpful for you and you can put them to work on your next cruise or travel adventure. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel to be notified of future videos from me, mostly about solo cruising and music-themed cruises.